Doctor, you told me to take minoxidil lotion, but I watched this YouTube video. They said don't take it. Doctor, you said I need only 2500 grafts, but I have seen one video for my type of baldness. They have said 5000 grafts. I am confused. What to do? This is a very common question because of the influence of social media. And to explain this, I am Dr. Venkat Charmalaya, dermatologist, hair transplant surgeon, Venkat Center for Skin, ENT and Plastic Surgery, Vijayanagar, Banashankari, Cunningham Road, Bangalore. YouTube, other social media have great influence on people's thinking. People don't even think beyond social media. WhatsApp University, Dr. Google, these are all terms which we are aware of. So, influence is out of proportion to the knowledge or the truth that is to be realized. But it's a fact that they influence. So, how to get de-influenced? That is the purpose of this video. Now, let us look at what are the issues involved here. Number one, who are these influencers? What is their qualification? Are they professionals? No. But they influence because they have followers. Often they have a vested interest or may have a vested interest. There is an interesting concept called Kardashian index. Kardashian index means ability to influence people out of proportion to their knowledge or qualification. They may not have done a course, they may not have done a degree, but they speak well, dress well, produce wonderful videos, they have followers, and hence they can influence. That is called Kardashian index. There was a study in American Academy, you can see this publication here, that said that the influence of non-doctors is several times more than the influence by doctors on social media. This leads to several problems. One, falsifying the information, exaggerating the information, or playing down of something else. Now, for example, typical example, finasteride tablet. We doctors feel it's a valuable treatment. But if you go to social media, that tablet is made to look like a devil. People don't want to take, they are afraid. So in such a case, even when a patient needs it, because he is afraid, he will not take it and is denied the benefit. Another example, PRP. It does work, it's a useful modality. But it has several conditions attached to it. It doesn't work in everybody. It has to be combined with medicines, etc. But if you go to social media, it is made to appear as if PRP is the greatest thing on earth which can produce hair for everybody. The third thing which happens is bias. When showing photos, I will show you my best cases and I will exaggerate it. So even if I can achieve a result with 2500 grafts, I will say 5000 is needed. Why? Because 5000 brings in more remuneration. This is not correct. Such things are happening. That is called bias. Deviation. I want to promote this particular treatment, so I will speak on that treatment. There are so many things which come. Latest example is several types of peptides. The companies, the industry also knows about it. So they are hiring the influencers to speak about their product rather than being prescribed by a doctor. And people buy it on Amazon or various online portals. What does it do? You are made to spend on something which may not work. And at the same time, if they keep pointing about the side effects of drugs, you are also being denied the right kind of treatment. This is what is happening in medicine now. It is happening in all branches. Particularly, it is happening in hair, because hair is a very commercial field because of the impact it has on the beauty. Now, how do we avoid it? In other words, how does a patient get the right information, verified information? There are 2-3 different ways. One is to go to a doctor's website whom you consider ethical. For example, Venkat Center. We avoid certain terms. We never say 100% guaranteed. We never say that this is the best treatment in the world. We do not use unethical terms. We do not say unlimited grafts. That is ethical writing. Second, you can go to certain associations websites. Here, look here, AHRS website or ISHRS website, which gives you proper, ethical, verified information. Third, you can look at the publications. Many full text publications are available. For example, we have published 130 publications, out of which there are 45 publications on hair. These are all listed in our website, as you can see here. But the difficulty is, these are technical information meant for doctors. Why are these more reliable? Because these are peer reviewed. If I send an article for publication to a journal, it is first reviewed by the editor, who then sends it to 3 referees, experts, who then analyze it, criticize it, and say improve on these areas. If it is not fit, it is rejected. Then we work on it, redraft it, that is assessed again. So like this, several drafts happen, and then by the time it is published, it is about 9 months. But even though it is verifiable information, it is unfortunately difficult for the patient to understand. So in such cases, you have to go to the doctor to explain. I read something like this, I didn't understand, please explain. This is the third way. And likewise, do not believe automatically something which somebody says. Always verify. That is extremely important. Now, example I will tell you. PRP, it works, but how to give it, how much does it work, that needs a proper article. Look at this article, rotational therapy. Likewise, finasteride guidelines. We publish an article, finasteride guidelines. That is the kind of peer-reviewed articles that give proper information. But since you can't understand it, you have to go to the doctor, check, is it safe, and then get the details. So do not decide yourself. Do not go by what you hear on social media. Do not trust blindly what somebody says. Verify it. And that needs a knowledgeable person who is a doctor. This, otherwise what will happen is, number one, you may use a treatment which is expensive, which may not work, or you may not like to use something which is valuable, and thereby you are denied the benefit of the treatment. Or, as I give the example of hair transplantation, instead of 2,500, you may end up getting 5,000, double the cost. So, clarity is important, reliability is important, and that can only happen with trusted doctors. We at Venkat Center, we do that job, we take it very seriously. I hope you have liked this video. Please give your feedbacks, share this video, subscribe to the YouTube, and also visit our center website, venkatcenter.com. Thank you very much. Good day.